right here is where the original awesome Marshall freight elevator is. But look, authorized personnel only, so I'm gonna have to get permission somehow. Anyways, we're here to ride the back elevator. Just after I did the front. Hey, Michael. Sorry, I just saw my friend. Sorry for that disruption, guys. I just saw my friend coming out of David Buster's. There's a view. This is the back elevator. Unfortunately, like I said, I can't ride that awesome Marshall freight elevator. Because the signs say employees only and authorized personnel only. So I'll have to go through the loading dock. To access it. Chime doesn't work, but it does light up at least. LL. Installed in 2016. As for the Marshall, installed in 1962 when the mall opened. Here are LL. There's manpower elevator number 2. Head up. UL. There's the MPE. Skate cat view. I have to go watch the floor indicator this time. The one responsible for maintaining this elevator is LRC Realty. Close the door and we'll get cat view in privacy. This is a nice elevator. You know these 3300 and FIGL 100 hands-free ADA code compliant phone right there. Not yet. There it goes, and that's it.